students, in this video you are going to do the exercise on should or shouldn't. So in the previous videos we have learned about should or shouldn't, right? Where to use should and where we can use shouldn't, and what is the meaning of should. Can you remember what is the meaning of should? Yes, should means to give advice, to do the thing, to do the right thing. In those places we use should, right? So should is the positive word. It's a positive sentence which can be used in the positive sentence, and shouldn't is the negative form of should only we have learned. Am I right? So and also should can be used for the condition place, in that places in which we are going to give order, or if we are going to ask for advice. In those areas we can use should that we have learned, right? So in this video I have written some general question and you need to guess and tell me in which sentence I need to use should and in which sentence I need to use shouldn't. Okay, so shouldn't is the short form of should not. Okay, shouldn't is the short form of should not only. Okay, so before starting the video, let me give you one small story. Okay, let me tell you a small story. Okay, so there was a boy named Rohan. He found a crystal ball from behind the banyan tree. You know the banyan tree, right? So behind the banyan tree he got a crystal ball, and the tree asked him to the tree told him that the tree would give him a wish, grant him a wish. But Rohan didn't come with a wish. He was thinking about which wish he can ask, but he didn't get any idea of it. So later he said that any other day I will ask you, he said, and he went away. Okay, so days passed by. Still Rohan didn't ask any wish to the crystal ball, and he kept in his bag safely only. But one day Rohan's friend saw the crystal ball and he stole him. He stole the crystal ball. Okay, so he stole and he gave to all the villager and said that you can ask a wish. The tree is going to grant you a wish. And every one of us, everyone in the village, right, all the people started to make a wish. But there is a disappointment between the villager that they can ask only one wish. So everyone started to ask, I want to become a rich, I want lots of gold, I want lots of money. So everyone started to ask a wish, but the crystal ball can grant only one wish. So they are not satisfied that wish. They become very angry and they went to Rohan and asked him for a help. Okay, so please, we are not happy now because we got I asked the crystal ball that I need a house. I got house, but I didn't get money. How can get money? So likewise everyone started to tell their problem to the boy, and he said, okay, I'll grant a wish. So everyone of us, everyone is asking help from the Rohan, and Rohan grant a wish that everyone wants to go back how they were before. So before they got something, right? So somehow they were not that much poor, not that much rich also. So Rohan told that they all want to go back once again. So the crystal ball granted his wish, and everyone, those who had got the new house and gold, everything was vanished. Everything was disappeared, and they become how they were before it, right? How they were before, now they have become the same in the house only, and everyone now they are very happy with whatever they have. So what do you understand from this story, children? Yes, money and rich or gold, that doesn't give you happiness. That doesn't bring the happiness. Only your conscience, only your state of mind will bring happiness. Just be happy whatever you have. Okay, don't expect anything and don't expect much more. Okay, if you get a pencil, just happy with the pencil. Don't expect more, that I need a pencil which is in blue color only, which has a cap also. So no, if we are asking more, then we will get only disappointment only. So be happy whatever you have. Okay, so this is the end of this story. I hope you all enjoy with this story. Now let's learn about the exercise on should or shouldn't only. So as I said, should is the positive form, that is which is used to give advice and which is used to ask for advice and which is used to give the right thing to do. So in those places we can use should, and in those places when we are talking about the negative form, that we can use should not, that is shouldn't. Okay, let me read out the Roman for you. Filling the blanks using should or shouldn't. Filling the blanks using should or shouldn't. So here I have written 6 questions. Let's do one by one. Okay, let me read out the first question for you. That is, he dash study more if he wants to pass in this exam. He dash study more if he wants to pass in this exam. It means அவன் வந்து அதிகமாக படிக்கணும், அப்போதான் அவனுக்கு வந்து பாஸ் ஆகணும்னா அவன் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக அதிகமாக படிச்சே ஆகணும். So when we are talking about, when we are giving advice also we can use should, and we are saying in conditionally, compulsory he should study so that only he will pass in the exam, right? So here what will come, should or shouldn't? கண்டிப்பாக படிக்கணுமா இல்ல படிக்க கூடாதா, should or shouldn't? Yes, should only will come. So the answer, right, I need to write should. Should is the correct answer. He should study more if he wants to pass in this exam. Okay, let's read out the second question. You dash drink so much coffee, it's bad for your blood pressure. You dash drink so much coffee, it's bad for your blood pressure. So நீ வந்து அதிகமாக காஃபி குடிச்சனா அது வந்து உன்னுடைய ஹெல்த்துக்கு தான் ப்ராப்ளம், ஃபார் யோர் பிளட் ப்ரெஷர், பிபிக்கு தான் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகும். It is the translation for this sentence. Okay, so what, you should drink coffee or you shouldn't drink coffee? You should drink coffee so much or you shouldn't drink coffee so much? என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, காஃபி அதிகமாக குடிக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ ஃபார் திஸ் சென்டென்ஸ் காஃபி அதிகமாக குடிக்கக்கூடாது, காஃபி அதிகமாக குடிக்கணும். யூ ஷுட் ட்ரிங்க் ஸோ மச் காஃபி மீன்ஸ் நீங்கள் காஃபி அதிகமாக குடிக்கணும், பிகாஸ் அது வந்து ஹெல்த்துக்கு வந்து ப்ராப்ளம். நோ, யூ ஷுடன்ட் ட்ரிங்க் ஸோ மச் காஃபி, நீங்கள் வந்து அதிகமாக காஃபி குடிக்கக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்த்துக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகும். ஸோ which word will come for this sentence, should or shouldn't? Yes, you shouldn't drink so much coffee because it's bad for your health, bad for your blood pressure. So the answer is shouldn't. S H O U L D N T, shouldn't. Shouldn't means பண்ணக்கூடாது, negative form of should only. Okay, so let's read out the third one. The government dash help people. The government dash help people. So government வந்து peopleக்கு help பண்ணணுமா பண்ணக்கூடாதா? Yes, they need to help. அவங்க கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணி ஆகுனா we need to say, we need to use should. No, அவங்க பண்ணக்கூடாது, அவங்க கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணணும்னா இல்லை அப்படின்னா you need to use shouldn't. So you need to tell me whether the government should help people or shouldn't help people. Yeah, very good. The government should help people. Only government can help people, right? Government is for the people, to the people and by the people, right? So the answer is should. The government should help people. Let's read out the fourth one. It is an interesting book, you dash read it. It is an interesting book, you dash read it. I am telling you that it is an interesting book. இது ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்குது இந்த புக்கு. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக நீ இது படிச்சே ஆகணும். I can say like this. கண்டிப்பாக படிக்கணும் means in English which word I need to use? Should or shouldn't? You should read it means நீ கண்டிப்பாக இது படிச்சே ஆகணும். You shouldn't read it means நீ கண்டிப்பாக இது படிக்கணும்னே இல்லை. So which word will be suitable for this sentence? That is, it is an interesting book, you dash read it. Yes, it is an interesting book and you should read it. So here the word will come like should. It is an interesting book and you should read it is the correct answer. Let's read out the fifth one. It is very dangerous area. It's a very dangerous area. Tourist dash go there. Tourist dash go there. So here they are telling that இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஆபத்தான பகுதி. So tourist சுற்றுலா பயணிகள் யாருமே அங்க வந்து போக கூடாது because it is very dangerous. So கண்டிப்பா போக கூடாது. Which word is suitable? Should or shouldn't? Yes, shouldn't. Tourists shouldn't go there. tourist அங்க போக கூடாது only. If I write tourist should go there means tourist அந்த ஆபத்தான பகுதிக்கு கண்டிப்பா போய் ஆகணும். No, they shouldn't go to that place. So the answer will be shouldn't only. So I'm going to write the answer, that is shouldn't. Clear? Let me read out the last question. When someone does a favor, you dash say thank you. So when someone help you, imagine that ஒரு யாரோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, அப்ப நீங்க உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா thank you சொல்லணுமா இல்ல கண்டிப்பா thank you சொல்லக்கூடாதா? கண்டிப்பாக yes, definitely means you need to use should. No சொல்லவே கூடாது. You shouldn't say thank you those are helping you அப்படினா you need to use shouldn't. நீங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு thank you சொல்லணும் அவசியமே கிடையாது அப்படினா you need to use shouldn't. Now you think and tell me whether I need to use should or shouldn't. Yes, I need to use should only, because when someone does a favor you should say thank you only. So the answer is should. That is SHOULD. That is a very good habit. When someone is helping you and you need to say thank you only. So try to learn saying thank you and saying sorry are the best words, are the good words to use in our life only. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. So what we have done in this video, can you recall? Yes, in the starting video we have learned about the intro of should or shouldn't. That is should can be used to give advice or ask for advice or to do the right thing. And also when we are using should, it means we need to do that thing compulsorily, conditionally you need to do that. Okay, and shouldn't is the negative form of should only. So we have learned about the sentence and we learned that where to use should or shouldn't in a sentence also. So try to use the words should or shouldn't in your life also. For example, if you are asking your brother, he should not, he don't need to break the pencil. Imagine, I'm just telling you an example that he is breaking the pencil, and now you are going to give him advice that you should not break the pencil, you should not break the break the sticks. So likewise, when we are telling the thing in condition, you can use should or shouldn't. Okay, so try to use these words in your real life also. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.